Hi, I'm Shawnee Hayes, the principal at Shawnee Heights Elementary.
And I'm Katie Clay, assistant principal.
At Shawnee Heights Elementary, this bond would make important updates to keep our students and our staff safe and supported.
A new secure entrance will be created by moving the main office to the front of the building.
Our special education offices will be renovated to better serve our students and our staff.
The gym floor will be replaced, giving students a safe and updated space for physical education and activities.
Outside, our drop-off and pickup will improve with a new canopy, sidewalk, and railing, plus extended walkways for safer access.
And like all our elementary schools, Shawnee Heights Elementary will see playground improvements for accessibility, including turf, shade, and equipment so every student can play.
In my 3 years of being principal at SHES, I have seen firsthand how supportive and invested our Shawnee Heights community is. This bond would create safe and supportive learning environments where all students can thrive. It will also give our educators the tools they need to support our students every step of the way.
Detailed information about the 2025 Shawnee Heights Bond proposal, please visit our website at usd450.net.